That's always a nice sight to see, you know. Yeah. I put them in the goop. Took them out. Went in to watch a video. Let's see what happens here. You know, this is like so satisfying. Look at that. I hate to do that to this paint job. Look at that. Oh, nice. You getting this? Where's the light? There's some more light on here. Watch this. Watch. Ready? Oh, yeah. ASMR video here, buddy. Oh, yeah. So we're going with these. Lancer Evolution. I looked at their site and their list. This is for the JDM, Modified JDM tournament. Winner take all. And thanks for, I got to go back in my comments on my last video for telling me, yeah, you ain't getting your cars back from King of the Mountain. What? Ah, shit. Forgot all about that. Yeah. I remember I was upset about that. You got to be a specific 80s models only, and it's like they were looking for a certain model, and they're going to keep it when they get it. If somebody sends it in, it must be a rare type. I don't know. I was just me. You know, I work security, conspiracy theorist here. I even got a tinfoil hat. So, yeah, and that's a JDM. But yeah, I messed up the chassis. Yeah, I gotta cut or drill this out, file it out. But yeah, look at this. This is beautiful. Let's see what the inside looks like. This is more of a documentary for me. Yep, inside's done. I gotta find my gloves, put them on, clean the rest of this up. Look at that, man. Only been, hell, it probably was only 10 minutes. I was in there for 18. Wow, you gotta love that, man. You gotta love that. Now, I'm thinking about a different paint style. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I got some time. Yep. I'm going to have to get the gloves on. They're over there. Alright, we'll be back when these are clean. Like I said, this is more of a documentary for me. So, I don't forget. Now, I know Johnny Smoke and the RX-7 did pretty well. I don't think I ever checked the balance, so I have no idea why he's doing so well. I never checked the balance. I said, I'm just going to give a car away. Fine, here you go. I didn't care. Now I care. Yeah, I'm still number 3. So, now I'm checking the balance. And, like I said, taking notes. Alright, that's enough of that. And that's enough filming for tonight. This ain't going to be posted tonight. Look at that. Everything is cleaned. Wow, that's some cheap-ass paint. I can tell you, some of these Corvettes, that paint don't want to come off. It's like 5 layers of paint. Alright, cool. Cool stuff. Next film will be tomorrow. We'll just add them all together and make one little documentary. See you later. Next. Alright, we're back. Now, I threw away the Tupperware lid. And thanks to one of you commenters, yeah, you don't need to leave it in the goop. In the goop. So I'm using, and I threw away the lid to this Tupperware. And I used aluminum. And then I let it sit and boil, as you saw. Oh, that's some cool stuff. And then I put a new aluminum over it to keep it, you know. And then I use that aluminum cover to do this. So I get minimum waste. This from the last blue car I did. Well, it's in there. It's going to be in there forever. So, and then I get new aluminum. I get a new aluminum sheet and put over there, which is I'm going to use the next time. Okay, been a month. This stuff seals pretty good. Let me show you the cars and put this over here. These, man, this must be some cheap paint. You know, they came out super clean. There's the bottoms, the insides. Here's the outsides. Get rid of this. Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, they're dry. First thing I'm doing is tapping the holes and put screws in there and leave the screws in there for the rest of the build. Ah, damn it. Even before I do any of the polishing with the Scotch-Brite on my Dremel, Binford 5000. I missed that show, damn it. Well, they always take the good ones off the air. So, we're going to go over here. We're going to tap these for a 256. Yeah. Like one of these little teeny guys. And then later, it's getting late tonight, but I'm going to take the wheels and axles out as carefully as possible. I did have success, just that's, you know, you got two on this side, one on this side, bending that up a little bit, just enough to get this out without bending the damn axle, which I've done. So if you can't do it, just cut the dang on thing with these flush cuts. Yeah, they were cheap. You just saw that, they were cheap. Without having to do that, that'll make my last resort. And then we polish them. We get them on the homemade. We polish them and we sprinkle them with some graphite, and then we put them on here. Look at that, fits pretty damn good. See? That's pretty damn good. But when the wheels are off, I'm sanding this flat. So that way, it fits even better. Alright, we're going to do that next. Alright. Oh. And then, before I even, that's why I put this over here. I take off any burrs that I can off these, because no two cars are drilled exactly the same, because you are not a robot. Yeah, that's really catching there. And I've got two of these. One's going to fit one, one's going to fit the other. But if you take this off, it helps to put them back together. Because if you're only doing one car, it snaps together like perfect. But if you screw up this guy with that guy and that guy with this guy, you're like, what the hell's going on here? So I just try to take off that little teeny lip, you know? All right, you can feel it. And this front is always the worst. You know, maybe I will post this tonight because it's getting long already, but we'll come back with screws in here. We're going to use the black ones. Brand new. I don't know what's wrong with me. I bought 200 of them. That was like 6 months ago. I still got like 150 left. So, we're out here. We're going to go. I'll be right back. Next. Did I mention 2008 Lancer Evolution was in the list down to the exact color. So, I'm going for it. Hey, we all know. Well, not everybody, but that's a good car to go with. All right. Next. So right now I'm slow down. I'm rechecking my holes because I got tired of drilling through the top. You know, you saw on those Corvettes. Yeah, so I drill enough first with the 256 drill bit, which I don't know what size that is, but it comes with the tap. And then I get them off, and then I can check, like, all right, if I get up to here, I'm getting close. You know what I mean? So I go back and re-drill. First, got some oil on there, and you see that. That's close enough for a 256. This guy down here, yeah. Let me check the back, because I don't have a flat bottom zero clearance tap. I need a little extra room to get those final few threads. And now this guy, oh yeah, this guy needs a little more. I need some oil. I'll be right back. All right, so I got oil. Maybe a little more. I'll do this off camera so I do it right. Sorry. Speed and speed. Speed and speed. It's not about burning your way through, it's about removing metal. And let the drill bit cut. Nice and slow. Yep, I think that's deep enough. Good. So I got a teeny tiny hole up here and took out 5. You're always going to drop one, so be ready for that. Now put that right there. Let's see if I did this right. Now I know my holes were crooked, so, and I always hold it with my finger right there. I can get it in there. I hope. It's a going. These are so small. I'd rather have the 440s. However, on these little teeny shafts here, I'll do it like that again. A 440 will get so close to the edge, I've actually had to use epoxy to hold them in because I came in so crooked. You know, I'm only human. I don't have a milling machine or anything set up. Come in so crooked, so I went to 256. Right, now these are going to stay in there until the final build. And I think that's it for tonight. I know it's kind of boring watching me put screws in and stuff, but we'll work on paint later. And then the body sanding and the axle polishing. And then the wheel sanding. And then the cleaning with WD-40 to get all that crap out of there just in case, and then re-graphite. So the first graphite is just to see how the wheels are doing, you know. So and then you got to do the tire sanding or the wheels, whatever you want it. I go 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 very lightly, 600 and then 1,000. Well, I was told use 1,000, so I'm doing my 600 and then I'm going to do 1,000. It don't take much just to get these ridges and dips off. So you're not going to see it until I put the graphite on it. Like my last video, I showed you why tire sanding is important. Alright, this is how you make a good build. Alright, got screws in there, screws in there. Tomorrow's cleaning, primer, and paint. Which, I'm really sorry about this guy. Look at that. That was a custom, man. Man, the front. I didn't do that. Ain't no way I can handle that. You know. So, get rid of this. And we're done for the night. Put these away. And, yeah, I got these. These are JDMs also. A Subaru Impreza, I think it was. Yeah. Subaru Imprezas. I got 6 of them. I got, the decal is the weight. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, and 85 to test down my track. I never graphited them and got busy with other stuff. So yeah, and I do my balance like this. You can't even see that's off camera. Check my weight balance. This is pretty much perfectly level. It's not 100% accurate, but that's how I do it. Just to see where I'm at. I like to be 50-50. Alright. Time to sit down and relax. Enough of this. Oh, crap. Now I got to edit and post this, because it's kind of long already. But I love you guys. I always love the comments and help with improving. So I thank you. Thank you. Thumbs up, all you guys. Appreciate it. New guy here. New guy. There's still number 3 at 3D Bot Maker. And I'm not getting my cars back. Who told me that? And that reminded me, crap. I think it was a $5 entry fee for each car, up to 2 cars. I remember sending money in. Oh man, look at that. Oh yeah, that's a 84 scale. I wanna do a Corvette like this, chrome and copper. Don't know if I ever get to it. I'm so excited. He just makes a pass and a left turn. Hey, do you see 3D Bot Maker today? Man, that RX-7, I told you in the voting, if you're a pit crew member, yeah, I vote for Crazy Canuck. Don't rule out that Mazda RX-7. And he won. Sorry, Crazy Canuck. I was rooting for you, but I said, don't rule out the RX-7. Yeah, I'm off camera again. But anyways, thanks for listening to me rabble on. I need to go watch Jeopardy. Later.